So we have a last session for the day from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So we'll start this plenary sharing. So this list was shared. So how should we go? Should we go from the sequence it is given, or should we go randomly? Sequence? Okay. Then I think in 1 hour we can conduct at least 4 sharing. So 12 minutes time for sharing and 3 minutes for some observation or some comment by any one of you or any question. So for 3 minutes we'll utilize this 3 minutes we'll utilize for comment or observation or question. So 4 people who are to share today, Ami Para Bhaiya, Anil Singh Rathore, अपराजिता दीदी और बीके शर्मा जी, चारों लोग हैं। राठौर जी कहाँ हैं? आ जाए, आगे आ जाइए भैया। हो आ रही हैं, शी विल बी कमिंग। ठीक है, कैमरा रेडी है? रेडी है, ठीक है, चलिए, ठीक है, ठीक है। हाँ, बीके शर्मा जी। बीके शर्मा, अभी जरा उनको, ठीक है भैया। अमी पारा भैया कम। You remember the pointers which were shared in 3-4 meetings, online meetings, or you would like to go straight from the heart? Let's just follow this.
I know.
Start me. Was not feeling well, so she has gone to take some medicine. So in case she comes back, then she will be sharing. Otherwise, we have Deepa Devi next. So you get ready.
Record. Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Ami Para, former principal, Gujarat Technological University. Let me introduce myself. I did double graduation, PG and PhD in electronics communication. Worked for 20 years in R&D and 17 years in academy. I blessed with 2 daughters, both got married. Elder one is settled in Rajkot, younger one is in Pune. I am staying in Junagadh, Gujarat with my wife. My UHV journey was started in 2015, but initially very slow. 2020 I did 5 days course, and 2023 done again refresher UHV2, and July 24, UHV 3. Actively, I entered into the volunteering maybe about 2 years back. My gratitude to Ila Didi. She has literally dragged me in this. Till that time, it was only a little thing. Anyway, this was my UHC journey, and now it is going on forever. Of course, potential of a UHV concept I could find beginning itself, but somehow or the other, I could not implement. Now, let me tell you my situation before UHV. I used to imagine a lot of, I would say, different things, which is probably impractical. And a lot of impractical desires, expectations, which are endless. And because of that, inner voice, inner soul was in disharmony. Because if we cannot meet the desires, then naturally it happens. Then after UHV, I have started myself giving proposals, especially preconditioning, lack of competence, right understanding. Now let me give some experiences what I observed in my life. Before UHV, small things used to create disharmony in family. Say, for example, after my bath, I used to throw a wet towel on a bed. After coming from the office, anywhere, socks, shoes, files, etc., putting anywhere. And my wife used to grumble always, which used to create disharmony. Now, I have given proposal to myself, what is the issue? Then what I could understand is, number one, my wife is very systematic. She doesn't like haphazard things. So obviously, she won't like. Number two is that it was my preconditioning that being a head of the family, I can behave the way I want. So then that came to my mind that I should improve myself. And as such, if we see things which belongs to me, whether putting it to its proper place or throwing somewhere else, it takes same time. It's a question of mindset. And since I improved my mindset and started behaving properly, now there is no issue. So this is the benefits I got it from this. And all those ideas I have started implementing basically after attending the morning meeting specifically. From 8th batch onwards, I am attending both morning meetings, Hindi and English, continuously, and getting a lot of improvements. Then content of UHV multiple times go through as a volunteer, or as a panelist, and this gives a more and more clarities. Let me cite one more example. When I passing through a street or lane, in front of me, if some dog or a bullock with a curved horns, if I find, I get irritated inside me and change the side. Then suddenly I have started thinking after UHV that why it happens, which has took me to my past. During my childhood, a mad dog bit me, and I had to undergo severe treatment of 14 injection. In those times used to be a very large 14 injection. That was one incident. Second incident, while passing, a bullock has hit me. So these two incidences has resided inside me permanently, and that was giving me a frightened. And whenever I see it, I used to get irritated and get fight. Now slowly with a right understanding, and I come out from the preconditioning that all dogs are not mad, and all bullocks are also not mad. That is number one. Number two, when I start seeing the relationship amongst all, then I need not to be afraid of all the dogs and bullocks. So this has given me a lot of clarity, and with this now, absolutely no problem. One more examples of competency, that is basically from my family. We are 5 brothers, and we have an old house of my forefather, where my elder brother was residing. One point in time, he has decided to build a new house. And then everybody has thought of that this old house we should sell off. A responsibility was entrusted to me to sell off the house. I could find a purchaser, and we had a meeting along with my elder brother, and deal was done. And the fellow has given a token money, and he said within 6 months he will make full payment, and we have to hand over within 6 months the house. So everything was done. Then after about a month, suddenly my elder brother said, I do not agree with selling of the house, which has created disharmony in our family. I have decided to work on this, how to resolve the issue. So I started inquiring within societal friends of my brother, elder brother, that what is the issue? Because directly he has not said anything. So I came to know that he is afraid of building a new house within 6 months, number one. Number two, within 6 months, if you have to build new house, need to arrange money. So these two incompetency he found. But he could not tell directly. But then when I came to know, I said, "Theek hai." I sat with him and told him coolly, you don't worry. What are your issues? Please let me know. I am ready to help you. And then I said, I came to know these are the issues. Then he agreed, yes, these are the issues. Then I said, "Theek hai. We'll sort out amicably. You tell me how much time you required, how much money you required." He said, I need 1 year. Fine, 1 year is given. Then whole money which are going to come from the house, you keep it. And you repay our portion whenever you have arrange money. So then happily he agreed. In same terms, I convinced with my other brothers as well as purchaser that after 1 year we will hand over the. And this is how the problem was solved amicably. Now he has a new house. He shifted also, and other house is handed over. 2 minutes. Okay, then I have, of course, lot of experiences, but with this, I will conclude that after implementing UHV proposals and UHV ideas, I could get a lot of harmony and happiness in my life, and now I am really happy with this UHV. And thanks to UHV, thanks to all, and my gratitude to all my mentors, especially Ela Didi, who has really brought me into this. Thank you.